That's right. Sissy?
Shopkins Jellybean challenge.
Alright, and this is what? Being Boozled?
Challenge.
Ooh. What's all the Being Boozled about? Tell me what it's about.
You eat them, and then it's going to be yuck, and then you guys spit them out and drink water.
No way.
Yeah.
Okay, well, are you guys just about ready to open?
Yes!
Okay, let's take a look what you guys have. All these monster trucks. You got,
What is Shopkins?
okay, water. You have Being Boozled. Pull it hard, Sissy. You need some help?
I think I can do it. I can't.
Okay, hold on. Let me see.
Great. I got this. Oh, stick. Great. It's hard. Lean. That thing. I think I need help, Dad.
Okay, let's see.
I need help, Dad. Sticker!
There you go.
Oh dear. Okay, now
Alright, so now what do you gotta do?
eat them. I can't pull it up. I think I can do it. How do you pull it up? I think I can. Great.
Now undo the little tab there on the side.
What, this one?
Yep, pull it.
I think. I can't.
Pull it all the way. Pull it off.
I think I can put it. Sissy, you got it. Put it on. Oh, now you bit.
Oh, easy.
Oh, you got 3 of these. One squished.
Hold on. Are you supposed to pull it up like that?
Oh, I got 2. Okay.
Alright, hold on.
Oh, it's okay.
You want to eat them? Alright, eat them first before you look at the flavor, okay?
It's okay.
Alright, show me the jelly beans you have.
I got blue.
Blue and white. Okay, go for it. Chew it. Chew it. What does it taste like, kids? Which one do you have, Sissy?
I got toothpaste.
You have toothpaste? Is it good?
It's good.
It's really good? What about Emerson's?
Mm.
Which one is his? What does it taste like, Emerson?
Is it bad? It tastes like chocolate.
Tastes like
Okay.
chocolate?
Is it bad or good? Good. Okay, camel corn.
Camel corn?
What else is it called?
Caramel corn.
Oh, caramel corn. Okay, I thought it was camel corn. Okay, I guess maybe it was a thing. I don't know. All right.
Yours.
Okay, well the first one wasn't nasty, so you guys go and finish them up. Let's try the next one.
I got mint. Well, the toothpaste is.
Oh! Don't pull it all the way out. I don't think.
Let's see. Put it down. Like. I can't.
You could just pull them out. Let me see.
Oh, never
Here you go.
mind. Okay.
Alright, show
I
me
hope those
which-
are not booger.
Hold on, let me show me what you have.
You got 2 and I got 1.
Okay.
Eat it. Not yet. Alright. Oh, these are good. Oh. Canned dog food.
You have which one?
Canned dog food.
Canned dog food. It was that good, huh?
It wasn't.
Yeah? Okay. E, which one did Emerson have?
Okay. Got 2. Give me them. They might be the same. Alright. I hope they are not booger. Okay. Alright, each try first. Okay. I'm trying one. They could either be booger or juicy pear.
Juicy what?
Pear. Pear. Ooh, pear.
Juicy pear.
What is
Ooh.
it? It's booger.
You just had booger. Was
Okay,
it yummy?
Drink water, drink water.
Did you like it?
No. Okay, I only got. Oh, that was snakes. I give one a second. Wait. Oh, snakes in there. I can't. I know.
Pull it all the way out.
Okay.
There you go. There's one.
Alright, no, you just take that one. Okay, I guess we don't need it.
Guess you gotta eat it.
Okay, no, we both have two.
Okay.
No, I'm taking mine. I don't know
Just
what this
take
one is.
them.
I don't know what this one is.
Try it.
Okay, just try it. Here. Alright, I
What
can
did that taste like, E?
boogers.
No. What
Wait.
color was that one, Sissy?
I didn't see it.
You're not even chewing them, silly.
Okay, I am. Nothing. Wait, hold on a second. Need this? Is that good? Lawn clippings. Ugh.
Lawn clippings.
I need it. I need it. No.
So did it taste like
give
grass?
Jellybean to me.
All right, give
I
him
know.
one, sis.
No, I got it.
You gotta try the second one.
I'll get one. Boogers.
Again?
Either juicy pear or booger.
Here we go.
Oh! Booger. Boogers.
Gross.
Boogers.
Does it taste like your boogers?
I got lawn clipping and lime.
The lime sounds good.
Oh, I got so, Sissy, both of them to me are not really.
Emerson, you gotta show us what you ate. What does it taste like?
Nothing. This is like nothing. I got you. Hold on a second, dude. Let me see what flavor I got. One sweet. I could either have rotten egg or butter popcorn.
Oh no.
Thanks.
Oh no.
Oh,
Here we
go.
Okay, which one? Show me which
I
ones you
forgot.
have. Lex, let me see which one you have.
I got these two.
Okay. What color are they?
I got white and yellow.
Okay.
I'm trying my jellybeans.
Which one's Emerson's flavor?
I smell yogurt. Ew! What was this? I don't know what in the world it is. Just a drink. Well, I got nothing.
It was that good?
Oh, got two! What in the world?
Uh-oh.
I got these.
Alright, what flavors could that be?
I got. This should be this one or this one. This one. I got this one. This one should be that one. He could either have dead fish, strawberry banana smoothie, or he could either have canned dog food or chocolate pudding.
Oh.
Here I go. Oh,
What did it taste like?
it's like Booger's dragon breath. Okay, that means you got.
Booger's dragon, bruh.
Yeah. And the touch. I hate to try. Ah! Okay.
Hold on, don't eat it yet, Emerson. Show us what you have, and then Lexi, tell us what flavors it could be. Well, which ones are in your mouth, Lex?
I got camel corn.
Okay,
Sissy.
caramel corn.
Since I got those two, that's good. Okay, so he could either have toothpaste or berry blue. I hope he gets toothpaste. It's really good. Come on. And then he could either have barf or peach.
Barf or peach?
Barf is throw up.
One at a time. One at a time. Alright, tell us what you have. I mean, it's going to be hard to tell when you mix the flavors.
Ugh!
Does it taste like throw up?
He got barf and he got barf.
I got barf!
Oh, grody.
And dead fish, I think.
And dead fish? That doesn't sound yummy.
It stinks in there.
Alright, well, show us. Show us what else, you guys.
No, I'm. Oh! Okay, give me one. Yeah, I got one. Okay. Take one at a time, people. Okay, I could either have lime clippings or lime, and then I could either have barf. Wait, I have one in my mouth. I guess barf or peach. Oh.
Which one do you have?
I think lime clippings. Boring. Barf. Ew. Barf. Good boy.
Barf again?
I got long clippings. I got nothing. Alright, now do boogers. Wait. So it looks like you can either have booger or juicy pear. He got booger. Boogers. Great. Wait, you get your last one. Okay. Alright, take one of those, and then I'll get. Oh. Booger looks disgusting. No, don't. I'm not delicious. No. Okay, I'll just leave it there for a second until I finish this one. Or you eat it with your. What? Just eat it. You can't do. It's just.
It's okay. Keep going.